finish.
How you feel, bro?
How I feel?
Yeah.
I feel good, homie. Come on, I feel good, man. Come on.
You
Regardless of what
here,
today
man.
would say, homie, I feel good, man.
You better not walk out of here.
I better know what?
You better not walk out that door, bro.
Nah, I might. I'm telling you, for real.
Better
No biggie,
not,
man.
nigga.
Come on, no biggie, because I'm off, so there's every chance that I will. There's a chance that I might just walk out those doors. But regardless, mate, come on. Are you not entertained?
Fucking insane, bro.
Yeah, man, come on. Oh man, I'm not even trying to think about that because like I always say, my life is fully God's plan, mate.
Yeah.
My whole life is God's plan, man, I swear. He's the author and the finisher of my faith. He knows my beginning and
Before
my
your beginning
end.
began.
I'm telling you. So he knew my name before I was born.
Damn right.
So bro, if I gotta go, it's his plan. If I gotta stay, it's his plan. All I pray for is the strength to do what I need to do. Don't this thing, I see your onion don't burn for me.
I know. Please don't even allow me to see it.
Come on. Come on, man. It's not easy. It's been a long ride, regardless. It's been a really long ride, man. 8 weeks up in this bitch. Come on. Don't play with me.
Big brother Naija.